In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Apple Pay here on your PlayStation 5 in the PlayStation Store. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications on, it really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to go and use Apple Pay here on your PlayStation 5, what you're going to want to do is first open up the PlayStation Store and find whatever game you want to go ahead and download. In my case, I'm just going to use Madden 26 as an example. But obviously in your case, go ahead and choose the game that you actually want to play, select it, and then go ahead and add it to your cart. From here, what you're going to want to do is actually select these three dots here and hit Change Payment Method. It's going to pull up with a few different options, and Apple Pay is actually going to be one of these options. Go ahead and select it, and what you're going to want to do here is hit Confirm Purchase. This is going to pull up with a little QR code that looks something like this. What you're going to want to go and do is use the camera on your Apple device to scan it. Apple Pay is going to pop up automatically, and then you just have to confirm your purchase. On my screen, it actually says continue on your phone to review the purchase details and confirm payment. And after a few seconds of confirming it on your phone, you'll get a thank you notification, and that means that it's gone through and your new game is going to automatically start downloading. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.